Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Instagram Notes feature not showing in your Android. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Instagram Notes feature or Notes option not showing in your Android, then I'll show you how to fix this issue. Guys, mostly people faces this issue when they will update their Instagram app. After updating, most of the people notes option will be disabled. So I'll show you how to fix this. First, you need to open your Play Store. If you have not updated your Instagram app, then try to update it from here. If there is any update pending, then update it. After updating, then go back. Just tap on settings. Scroll down a little bit. Tap on apps. Tap on see all apps. Tap on the search button. Then type here Instagram. Tap on Instagram. Once tap on force stop. Tap on OK. You can see here storage and cache. Just tap on this. Tap on clear cache. After tapping clear cache, then go back and open your Instagram. Check whether your problem is fixed or not. Still you are facing the issue, then you need to log out and log in your Instagram account. Just open your Instagram app. Just tap on your profile icon. Just tap on these three horizontal lines. Tap on setting and privacy. Scroll down a little bit. In last you can see log out. You will find your Instagram account name. If you want to log out only from one device, you can select the first option. If you want to log out from all your devices like computer, mobile, then you can select this option, log out all accounts. Then tap on logout, then go back, and once again you need to log in your Instagram account. After doing this, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Instagram notes feature not showing. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.